iPhone fans. Today I'm going to do a walkthrough of a very cool little app called Glaze. Glaze transforms your iPhone images into extraordinary works of painterly art. It's super easy to use, comes with 30 different styles, plus you can buy more if you really like the results. Right now it's free at the App Store as of March 17th. So let's get going and try some glazing. Here we are in the Glaze interface. It has no camera, so your only option here is to pick a photo from your camera roll, photo stream, or your gallery. So I'm going to go ahead and pick a photo, and then we will take a look at the effects in Glaze. Okay, so here's the image that I've selected in Glaze, and what usually works best for Glaze images is simple scenes, lots of texture, lots of color, some patterns, and some geometric shapes. Because it simplifies things, the detail of your image is going to get obliterated to a certain amount. So you want to choose an image that's fairly simple. So this is a scene of a wheat field in the summer on the prairies. So just tap to bring up all the different effects that you might be wanting to try. And the neat thing about Glaze is that it will save all your selections. So what I mean by that is, if we select this image, and that's pretty cool, it actually looks sort of like a Van Gogh painting. Lots of texture effects on that. We can skip to this other section with a whole different kind of effect. Kind of a watercolor looking image. That's kind of interesting. Let's try a stronger effect. I'm not sure I like that one so much. And we can skip over again to a super painted oil painting effect. Not bad. Let's continue. These ones are really interesting. Again, depending on your subject matter, you can create some very weird and wonderful effects here. And finally, that one's kind of interesting. So then what you can do is go to your settings, and you can either save the settings that you just created by dragging the image into the Save palette, but you can also flip back through all the images you just created, and depending on which ones you like, I kind of like that one. Yep, I really like the way this one turned out. So all I need to do to save it is tap on the export screen, and then down here at the bottom you can see small, medium, and large output resolution. So depending on what you want to do with the image afterwards, for example, if you want to print it, you would use the source image, but make sure that maybe the large one might be bigger than the source, depending on what camera was used to take your original picture. I like to save mine as big as possible, so I'm going to save it at the large size, send it to my gallery, and we're good to go. Stay tuned for the next iPhone photography class coming right up.